Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, back again, and I'm about to do a ride along. But you knew that already because in the thumbnail, I'm gonna ride along with this right here. This fragrance, Mancera's Aoud Blue Note. Is that name coming in there? What's going on with my camera? Okay, there we go. This fragrance is so good. This is probably one of my favorite fragrances from Mancera, the fresh side anyway. This one and Cedrat Boise smells so good. But we're gonna get more into the scent and all that stuff a little bit later. I know this fragrance is a good performer. I just want to do a ride along. I don't think I've done one before, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the sprays. And one on the shoulder. Let's go here. And on the shoulder, behind the neck, and behind the ears. Yeah, nice little scent bubble. Now, I know this fragrance is a good fragrance. I know it's a good performer, but because I'm doing a ride along, it probably ain't going to perform well today. But I have high hopes for it. Today is supposed to get up to the 90s. I think right now it is 69 degrees, and right now it is 6:42. Let's see if that's 69 degrees if it's coming in. But yeah, so let's check it out, see how I do. Mancera, they always put out beast fragrances, but let's roll with it. All right, roll with me. Hey, what's going on, folks? So I'm doing the check-in now. It is 9:02. Let's see if that time is coming in. 9:02, and the temperature has gotten a little bit warmer. It is 75 degrees. Yeah, 75 degrees. But it says it feels like 92, which is really crazy. But yeah, so the fragrance right now is doing pretty good. I still have this nice little scent bubble around me. It's not jumping out too crazy, at least I don't think so. But you know, after you wear a fragrance for a little while, you kind of get a little nose blind to it. So right now it feels good. It's a nice little scent bubble around me, like I said, and it's still smelling the same way. It hasn't really changed much from the opening. It's doing really good. So I'm gonna keep pushing and see how this works out. But just a heads up, today we have like this really poor air quality right now. The air quality, I think, is at red, and it's supposed to be moving up to purple. Like when I went out this morning, I think I took a video and it was like just smoky outside this morning. So the air quality is really bad, and you know, sometimes that will affect the fragrance. But so far, it's doing okay. So keep rolling with me, and I will give you an update in a little bit. Hey, all right, folks, I'm doing another check-in right now. It is 12:05. 12:05, and the temperature now, it is 88 degrees, but I am inside, so that 88 degrees doesn't mean anything because it's cool in here. In the building, it's probably, I don't know, maybe about 64 degrees, something like that. It's really nice and cool. So that doesn't affect the fragrance at all. And the fragrance still going on. It still has that same small scent bubble that it had earlier today, but now it's gotten a little bit closer. So I am going to keep pushing it with this and see how it does and continue with it. I'm actually getting ready to do a little bit of running around in here also. So keep rolling with me and I'll keep you updated. Let's get it. Hey, what's going on, folks? All right, time for another check-in. It is late in the day now. It is 4:17, and is that coming through? 4:17, and it's 89 degrees, and the fragrance is gone pretty much. It's really close now. All I smell it now is on my shirt slightly. It's really light. It's not super strong, but that's due to I went to the gym and I worked out, and I think I probably sweated the part that was still on my skin out already. So as far as my skin, it's pretty much gone. It's not even it's not even the skin scent. I kind of smell like it's like you can't smell anything. It's not anything from the fragrance. Is probably from like the wipes that I use or whatever. But anyway, right now I am heading home, and I got a couple more running around things to do. So I will wrap this up in a little bit, but pretty much the fragrance is gone. I think it probably started fading out like once I got to the gym. It was still on my skin once I got to the gym, but after I worked out, it was off my skin, and it got closer. Usually once I go to the gym and I work out and I come back to my change my clothes back, because I put on gym clothes, and I put my clothes back on, I can smell the fragrance, and I smelt it, but it's really light. It's not super strong. It's not going to get any attention, I don't think, but that's that. All right, so and right now I did give you time, 4:19. All right, keep rolling with me, and I'll wrap it up in a little bit. Hey, all right, so let's wrap this up. This has been a long day. This day was a little bit different than my average day. Like I said, we had really, really bad air quality. It's like a scent of smoke in the air because we were getting some of the smoke coming down from Canada. But this fragrance still did good, but I know that it's done better in different times that I've worn it. But it wore out like maybe around, let me see it, maybe like around 2, somewhere in there. So it lasted pretty good. It still lasted good. It's just wasn't as long as it normally does. So Blue Notes. Oh man, it was good. This fragrance smells so good. Like it starts off with this, like a fruit bowl, kind of like a bunch of fruit, but it has citrus also inside with the fruit, and it's like a sweetness to it. It just smells really good. And then once you go through the mids and everything, it kind of dries down to like this sandalwood, and almost like a what's that note? Not orris root, but maybe it is orris root. It kind of dries down to something like that, and it smells really good. I enjoyed it the whole way through. I did pick up another fragrance recently that at Burlington's they did have something called Blue Oud or something like that. I think it was a Latafa. It's supposed to be like a knockoff version of this, but to me it smells similar to it, but that smelled more like a potpourri version of this. It didn't smell like this does. It's close enough if you can't get your hands on this or you didn't want to spend the money on it, but it's not the same thing. So Mancera Aoud Blue Notes came out 2015, and since then I think I haven't seen a whole lot of people talk about it recently, but it was had a little bit of hype behind it for a little while, but it was more so the lime, I think it was lemon lime, that was more popular than it at that time, and obviously it's the Drop Boise was more popular. So let's go ahead and jump into the notes of this. The top notes are fruity notes. That's what I was saying. Fruity notes, lemon, citrus. Fruity notes, lemon, bergamot, green notes, and mandarin orange. Yes, that's what I was trying to think of. It is kind of a green vibe to it too. Smells really good. And violet. Oh, and the middle notes is violet. I think that's the scent that I was thinking about. Violet, orris roots, rose, ylang ylang, and patchouli. Then in the base notes we have gaiac wood, leather, amber, sandalwood, and Madagascar vanilla. All of those smell really good. That in the dry down, that sandalwood and the vanilla kind of comes out really, really good. It has a smooth, almost like it's like a clean, woody, kind of sweet vibe to it from the vanilla. Smells really good. So yeah, that is that. That was a long day today. Oh, right now it's the fragrance is gone, but right now it is 6:48 and the temperature has gone down a little bit. It's 85 degrees. If you can see that, it's 85 degrees, but I'm inside now, so it didn't really matter. I think this fragrance would perform really well when you're outside, but like I said, I was inside most of the day today, so it did really good. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about Aoud Blue Notes. This is a good one. If you have a chance, pick up a sample of it. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.